His real name is Burak. Date of birth July 21, 1992. Present age he is currently 32 years old. He was born in Istanbul, Turkey. He is a Turkish by nationality. He is an actor and model by profession. He is active 2013 to present. His height is 6 feet 3 inches tall. His ethnicity is white. His zodiac sign is Leo. Marital status: he is married. Her education is unknown. Net worth $1 million to $5 million. Her real name is Yagmur Yuksel. Date of birth January 21, 2002. Present age she is currently 22 years old. She was born in Izmir, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actress by profession. He is active 2021 to present. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches tall. Her ethnicity is white. Her zodiac sign is Aquarius. Marital status: she is unmarried. Her education is unknown. Net worth $1 million to $5 million. I hope you like it. If you're new to my channel, like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching.